मौज गाइस, तो आज का एपिसोड बहुत ही फ्रेश होने वाला है बिकॉज टुडे इट इज़ 6 अगस्त और ये 6 अगस्त का ही आप व्लॉग देख रहे हो। 12:55 AM मिडनाइट ये इंट्रो में रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज जस्ट कपल ऑफ मिनट्स बैक आई जस्ट डिड अ गिव अवे वीडियो। इट्स एक्चुअली गिव अवे टू माई टीम। तो जैसे कि आप अगर वेबसाइट पे देखोगे, let me show you that। तो ये जैसे यहाँ पर देख रहे हो, दिस इज द एंटायर टीम विच इज़ देयर फॉर माई वेबसाइट। एंड यहाँ पर मैंने कुछ टोकन्स जो है वो उनको दिए हैं। अब वो टोकन्स क्या है वो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो। दिस इज़ if you go to view all FAQ. So by the way, this website is JorrParivar.in, India's first ever NFT project which is community driven। and यहाँ पर आप देखोगे तो D.P.O.O करके एक होगा, यप। सो व्हाट इज़ डिजिटल प्रतीक ओरिजिनली ओन्ड, तो ये यहाँ पर आप पढ़ सकते हो। एंड D.P.O.O tokens will not be sold, they will be used for following in the coming times। नंबर 1 इज़ फॉर परिवार गिवअवेज, जो कि अभी होगा धीरे धीरे जैसे ये लॉन्च हो जाएगा। एंड सेकंड वन was for team digital pratik, so every team member working on this project will be getting 1 bronze, 1 silver and 1 gold token for free। and currently there are 10 team members। तो ये 10 into 3 30 tokens मैंने जो अभी कैसे गिव अवे किए हैं उसके बारे में ये पूरा व्लॉग है। सो होप यू एंजॉय एंड लेट्स बिगिन। हे गाइस, the purpose of doing this particular video is to give away all the tokens to my team members। Now right now, as you can see on the website JorrParivar.in, there are 10 members, 10 gangsters। In total there might be 11, and today while I'm doing this particular video, by the way, that's me, hi। By the time I'm doing this particular video, it is 5th of August today, and we have 11 gangsters mentioned on the website। and out of no sorry there would be 10। One more is already probably added now, I'm still not sure, the developer is adding, his name is Kunal। and on top of Kunal we have 10 others। now I would exclude myself, obviously I won't give myself a token। so there would be 10 members right now whom I'm giving away 1 gold, 1 silver and 1 bronze token। so this is how I'm gonna do, no partiality, no bias, I'm not gonna give any choice to my gangsters as well, so that it remains transparent for the entire JorrParivar when it comes to giveaway। so now just like this, all right, so this is silver, all the 22 characters are right over here, all right, all the 22 characters are right over here, silver। Similarly gold, all 22 characters are printed over here, and similarly all the bronze are inside this। so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take one name। so right over here on the website, let's actually do one very important thing। give me a second, I'm gonna do this particular thing in front of you। so yeah, I'm so sorry that we are not recording this a little bit professionally। the only reason is this is a very random idea which we got। so just hold on a second, I'm gonna fire up the website on a desktop, and we would be doing this particular thing। all right, so I'm on the website, let me just put this on the side, and while I'm scrolling, as you can see, there are 10 members, so I would exclude myself, and then the 11th member would be Kunal, his name is Kunal, he's still not there on the website, probably he'll be added soon। so now let's start with the first one over here, so Ishan, if I have to give Ishan the bronze token, so let's open up this jar, okay, let's open up this jar, and I'm gonna just bring all the 22 characters outside right now, all right, now no bias, no partiality, everything like mixed up, jumbled, and now I'm gonna pick any one random thing। so this is Ishan, and in 3 2 1 and boom। all right, so this is what is Ishan is getting, Ishan is getting unique practical Tota bronze token, congratulations Ishan, that's what you're getting। all right, so I'm gonna put this up over here, we'll just line it up so that we have everything in line। now the next one is Akash, all right, Akash, let's pick this one, okay, Akash, what do you get for the bronze token? let's see, by the way, the time which I'm recording right now, it is 11:53 PM, that's the reason why I don't have a team member to record this video। we are just trying to save time and making the things quicker। all right, Akash, you get kindness Khiladi, so that's what you're getting। so let's put this down, okay, so we'll sequentially put that up। Next is Jigyasini Singh. Let's take this one for Jigyasini. All right, quickly, let's put this for Jigyasini. And Jigyasini gets Patient Kachua bronze. All right, congratulations, Jigyasini. Let's put this right over here. Next is Gaurang Desai. So Gaurang, what do you want? Huh? All right, let's pick this one. What is this? Okay, let's open this up. Gaurang, this is a tough one for me to open. What do you have over here? Contextual content Khiladi is something which Gaurang is getting. Alright, let's put all these on the top and put it over here once again. Next we have is Abhishek Tiwari. Abhishek, which one do you want? Alright, let's pick this one. What do we have for Abhishek? Let's open that up. Right, Abhishek, you are getting tough over here. Okay, and boom, life is equal to macro niche. Bronze is something which Abhishek is getting. All right, let's keep this right over here. Next we have is Sagar. Sagar, let's pick this one over here. All right, let's open this up quickly and let's bring this up. What do we have? What do you have? Boom, Empathy Hathi is something which Sagar is getting as bronze. Let's bring all this together on top of this. Next we have is Brahmjot. Brahmjot, let's pick this one. Brahmjot, Brahmjot, what do you get? Brahmjot, 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 Brahmjot. All right, Brahmjot is getting sharp, opportunistic, opportunist. It's like a tongue twister, guys. All right, but that's what is Brahmjot getting right now as bronze token. Let's put it up over here. All the papers and on top of sharp opportunist, Cobra. All right, next we have is Ibadat. All right, so Ibadat, let's bring this particular one. All right, Ibadat, what do we have for you? Let's open this up. All right, this was so random of my idea, but this is so very true. All right, जोर विचार करवानो ने मौज में रहवानो. That's something which Ibadat is getting as bronze. Perfect. Let's put it up over here. And next we have is Kanika. Kanika, let's pick this one for you. All right, let's open this up and what it is. All right, so I'm the hardcore practitioner is something which Kanika is getting. All right, let's put this up. Congratulations, guys. And last but not the least, Kunal, who is going to be the community operations guy. So he would be on the website soon. So let's pick up for Kunal as well. Let's pick this one for Kunal. All right, Kunal. All right, and in 3, 2, 1, and boom. Caring, daring, productive, focused leader is something which Kunal is getting. All right, perfect. Bingo, guys. 10 members, bronze giveaway done. Congratulations, all you 10 members plus Kunal, obviously. So that's what is for this bronze, guys. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for gold and silver as well. So I'll pause this video right over here. This is finalized, and once again I'll make this chits like this for gold and silver, and I'll start the video again. Awesome. So now the silver token are ready. All right, let me just shuffle that right over here, and this time I have just made sure that it is like a little bit bigger so that it saves time for us. All right, let's shuffle like this and it's all done. So let's pick the first one for Ishan. Ishan's silver. Let's pick this one, what it is for Ishan on silver level. All right, so Ishan, congratulations, you are getting responsible Ghoda on silver. All right, for the next one we have Akash. All right, Akash, let's pick this one. All right, what do we have for Akash? And then 3, 2, 1, boom. All right, so Akash gets loyal puppy dog on silver. All right, let's put this up. Next we have is Chagyasini. Chagyasini, let's pick this one for you. And let's open this up. So what do we have? What do we have? We have Action Taker Khargosh on silver for Chagyasini. Perfect. All right, let's put it up. Let's pick this one only for Gaurang. All right, Gaurang, what do you have on silver? And here we go. The tongue twister, sharp, opportunistic cobra. All right, so that's what Gaurang is getting on the silver token. Let's shuffle this once again. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so Abhishek, let's pick this one for you. What do we have for Abhishek on silver? Abhishek gets contextual content khiladi on silver. Okay, congratulations and celebrations once you sell the token, or maybe when you come to JPCon. All right, Sagar. Next we have is Sagar. Sagar, let's pick this particular one for you. All right. All right, Sagar, what do you have? The last formula is something which you're getting on silver. Sagar, congratulations. Let's put this up over here. Next we have is Brahmjot. Brahmjot, let's pick this one right on the top. All right, Brahmjot, what do you are getting on silver? You are getting quick energetic cheetah for silver. Let's put this up on the top. Okay, we have Ibadat. Ibadat, let's pick this one for you. All right, Ibadat, on silver you are getting happy independent Billy. Perfect. Right, let's keep this. Next we have Kanika. Kanika, what do you have for silver? Let's pick this one. All right. I'm the hardcore practitioner is something which Kanika is getting for silver. And last but not the least, we have Kunal, which is not on the site right now, but let's pick one for Kunal. Let's pick this one, Kunal. Or let's shuffle. Boom. And let's bring all these. Abracadabra, abracadabra, drum. Let's pick this one. And Kunal, what are you getting? Kunal is getting innocent, intelligent kabutar on silver. Congratulations, guys, on the silver token. And that ends our silver as well. Rest, we have gold. And this video will pause. Once again, we'll be back with the same kind of sizes for gold. And we'll start from Ishan. All right, there we go. So we have gold token. Let's shuffle all these. Let's shuffle all the 22 gold. And boom, 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 boom. All right, let's pick the first one for Ishan on gold. Let's pick this one. And this is the gold. Life is macro niche gold. Ishan, congratulations. All right, let's put like this so that I can keep it on the top every time. Akash, what do you have? Akash, let's pick this one. All right, so this gold token, guys. Gold. Quick, energetic cheetah. Gold. And why am I folding once again? I have to keep it open. All right, Akash, congratulations. Next we have is Chagyasini. Let's pick this one. All right, what do we have for Chagyasini? Contextual content khiladi is what Chagyasini is getting for gold. Congratulations. Gaurang, what do you have? Let's pick this one. Gaurang is getting what for gold? Gaurang, why does it happen for you? All right. Sharp, opportunistic cobra is what is Gaurang getting. Congratulations. Next is Abhishek. Abhishek, what do you have? Let's pick this one. Abhishek on gold is getting empathy hathi. Congratulations, Abhishek. Next we have is Sagar. Sagar, let's pick this one. All right, Sagar, what do you have for gold? And congratulations for talented chimpanzee. That's what Sagar is getting. Next is Brahmjot. Brahmjot, this is close to you. Do you want this? Let's open this up. All right. Unique practical tota is what is Brahmjot getting on gold. Congratulations, Ibadat. Let's move on to the farthest. Okay. I'm just playing around over here. This is what happens when you are the one who is recording with one hand and you are opening up on the second hand. Congratulations, Ibadat. You are getting happy independent Billy on gold level. Bang. Next is Kanika. Kanika, what do you have? Kanika. All right, let's pick this one. Oops. All right. So let's open this up and 3, 2, 1 and boom. Kindness Khiladi. Kanika, congratulations on Kindness Khiladi Gold. And last but not the least, Kunal, which is not on the website. Once again, let's pick this bottom one. What do we have for Kunal? Kunal. Yep, there you go. Passionate, hardworking Madhumakhi. Congratulations, Kunal, on this gold token. Alright, so that's the end of this token opening and yelling at the camera that my team is getting this token and that token and blah blah blah. Now, what we'll do is we'll mention their wallet addresses, the public wallet addresses, MetaMask addresses on the website soon. So all these wallet addresses you can just track because it is documented on this. And Ishan's wallet address would be below him, so you can just check that on Etherscan that what kind of token he is having. It would be the same which we have announced over here, whether it is silver, gold or bronze, and similarly the entire team would be getting the same one. So do check their wallet addresses if you need to verify, and this is how I'm gonna do giveaways in future for JorrParivar as well. But obviously every time we'll innovate. This is like in the middle of the night I got this idea for my team, and that's the reason why we wanted to make it quick, a little bit quicker, and I just shot this video. Hopefully next time I'll have my team and we'll do a proper structured video for the real giveaways, and I have plenty of creative amazing ideas for giving away those D.P.O.O tokens. All right, all the best and welcome to JorrParivar once again. Thank you so much.